Changing the email link to your Facebook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or Facebook app and log in using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page or the menu icon in the app and select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Contact Information. In the Settings menu, find the General tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see your current email address listed under Contact. Step 4. Edit your email address. Click on Edit next to your email address. You will be prompted to enter a new email address. Type in the new email you want to link to your account. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering the new email, click Save Changes. Facebook will send a verification email to the new address. Open the email and follow the instructions to confirm the change. Make sure to check your new email for the verification link. Once confirmed, your Facebook account will be updated with a new email address.